Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 5, Lesson 17. Our learning goal for today says, I can count by ones and make a new 10. Ooh. Now, in our last lesson, we practiced counting by ones, starting at like a really big number, a whole bunch of tens together. Today, we're going to be counting across ones to make a new 10. So let's first talk about what that looks like, because if we have a good picture of making a new 10, that will help us as we keep counting. So here we go. As you can see, over here we have a 10 and then a little bit more. But as we go down, we start to fill up and make a new 10. When you make a new 10, you fill up the 10 frame completely. Let's talk about what numbers these are. Well, this first one has a group of 10 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So friends, what number is 10, 8? Good. 18. Perfecto. Now if I have 10, 8 and I add one more, do you see I'm going to start to fill up that second 10 frame? It becomes 10, 9. What number is that? 10, 9. Yes, 19. Excellent. And then this is where we're going to make a new 10 because we had one 10, but now we filled up another 10 frame. So we have two 10s. What number is two 10s? Good. 20. Friends, you are so good. Now, what I do is I am thinking about making a new 10. I try to picture it in my brain. Oh, I filled up another 10 frame, so that means I made a new 10. All right. Now, what happens after we fill up our 10 frame? Yeah, we have to go to like a new 10 frame, right? So this is two 10s, 1. What number would that be? Good, 21. This is two 10s, 2, 22. Good. See, saying it the say 10 way also helps us to count on to a new group of 10 and move right on through to the next few numbers. So let's say these numbers together. We're going to say 18 and we'll count all the way to 22. Here we go. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Beautiful job. Okay, let's try another one. All right, the mouse wants to get all the way to the cheese. And our first number is 38. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and think. If we're at 38, what number is going to come next? 38, and one more would be, good, 39. Now, if you're picturing a 10 frame that has 9 in it, and we add one more, what's going to happen? Yeah, we're going to make a new 10. So we had 38, 39, we're making a new 10, so now we'll have four 10s. So what number would that be? Good, 40. Oh man, you're so good. If we have 40 and we add one more, what will that be? Yep, 41. And then the next number would be 42. You're right. Good job. Yes. Cute little mousey got to his cheese. See how as we're thinking about what's happening to the numbers, not just randomly counting, we know that when we get to 39 or we get to any number that has a 9 in it, if we add one more, we're going to be making a new 10. That's how we knew to go to the next group. All right, so thinking about our numbers as we're counting is really going to help us. All right, our learning goal for today says, I can count by ones and make a new 10. That's exactly what we did. We just counted right through that new 10 after we filled up our imaginary 10 frames in our brains. Okay, so here's your exit ticket. I'm going to start counting, and I want you to count through to the next 10. So I see 57, 58, and I want you to go ahead and write down the next three numbers on your dry erase board and then send it to me for an exit ticket. Or you could even make a video of yourself counting from 57 and then 58 and then the last three numbers. Okay? You're going to be making a new 10. So good luck, friends.